All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Here we have I'm so sorry for the shaking. I'm really working on trying to get that fixed. Welcome back to part 5 of solving systems of equations. I tried to do some graphing of these two system of equations, and it was nasty. A lot of fractions. I didn't want to discourage any students and get too involved with going too in depth. So I just wanted to show you elimination method, substitution method, and this is the easiest way to find the solution to A, B, C, D, or E answers. Okay? Both A, I'm sorry, both X and Y for A have to work. And this is how you check your answers. And so for each of these, A, B, C, D, and E, you substitute the X and the Y value into the equation until values are the same on both sides of the equal sign. And that's what I'm showing you here. I have both of those equations. And one at a time, I'm going to substitute the X and Y value into both of these in order to show you which answer is correct. Now, both X and Y has to work in both of the equations. So I'm just going to jump right on into it and show you here how this is going to look. Pardon the... there we go. I want to make sure this is crystal clear for everybody. And I like to show you step by step what we're doing. And I don't want to confuse anybody. So for option A, x equals 1, y equals 10. I'm going to substitute 1 for x in both of the equations. And if y equals 10, I'm going to substitute 10 for y in both of the equations. 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 5 times 10 is negative 50. Negative 48, does that equal? 2 plus a negative 50 is a negative 48. Does negative 48 equal 15? Are these the same? Not answer A. It cannot be answer A. But I want to show you over here just for instructional purposes. 3 times 1 is 3. Negative 7 times 10 is a negative 70. Equals 23. I just rewrite it. 3 plus a negative 70 is a negative 67 equals 23. Are these the same on both sides? No, they are not. So you really don't have to check the other equation once you realize, hey, it doesn't work on this one. Guess what? It's not going to work on both of them. So keep going. I know this is a timed exam. So I don't like fractions, but I wanted to show you this. I thought it was important, and you should try it. So if x equals 25 halves, I'm going to substitute 25 halves for x like I did here. Minus minus 5 times my y equals 2. So I'll substitute 2 for y. Equals 15. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 25, which is 50, divided by 2 is 25. Negative 5 times 2 is a negative 10, so 25 minus 10 is 15. Wait a minute, equals 15 equals 15. Does 15 equal 15? Yes, it does. But don't get too excited, because now we got to try these values with the other equation. All right, it has to work on both equations. So I substituted 25 halves for x, 2 for y. 3 times 25 is 75 divided by 2 is 37.5. Negative 7 times 2 is a negative 14 equals 23. 37.5 minus 14 is 23.5. Does 23.5 or 23.5 equal 23? No. No, don't be fooled into answering B. It cannot be B. Even though it worked with one equation, the x and y values have to check with both equations. 23.5 is not the same as 23. Let's move on, and you can see here why your answer will be C. So when x is 10 and y is 1, you substitute 10 for x, 1 for y. 2 times 10 is 20. 5 times -5 times 1 is a -5. 20 minus 5 is 15. Does 15 equal 15? Is that true? Yes. Okay, now I got to substitute 10 for x, 1 for y in the other equation. So 10 for x, 1 for y. 3 times 10 is 30. 7 times 1 is a -7. What's 23 minus 7? I'm sorry. What's 30 minus 7 is 23. Does 23 equal 23? Yes. X and Y values work in both of these equations. Your answer is C. So this is the absolute easiest method. The elimination method, the substitution method will work, but this is the absolute easiest way to find your answers. I hope I got a lot of smiles going on out there. This is a test-taking strategy, but if you didn't know that you have to check your answers with your final x and y values, then you may not have known this test-taking strategy. So when you're solving for systems of equations, I know it's a timed test, so maybe one at a time, you check your x and y values by substituting them into both equations. You see one side of the equal sign equals the other side of the equal sign. If you did your math correctly, then you know that has got to be the answer. All right, this will help save you time on your timed assessments. If these videos have helped you, please like, follow, and share these videos. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If I've helped you, please help me to continue making these videos for you and for others by donating your gifts and stars. Thank you so much.